It's time. It's time to stop wasting valuable floor plan space on new cars that don't sell. It's time to stop spending thousands on software solutions that can't deliver. It's time to stop relying on locators when you need a partner to solve larger inventory problems. It's time for a new solution. It's time for Dealer Trade Network, America's trading floor for new cars. Our inventory consultants give dealers better trade recommendations, powered by real-time market data and decades of industry expertise. Then, we take it to the next step and follow through. We manage the entire trade and fulfillment process, from discovery to delivery of new cars. And, as a trusted partner, dealers can count on us to deliver on time and protect their inventory every step of the way. It's time to let Dealer Trade Network help you match your floor plan to market demand. Learn more at dealertradenetwork.com.